resurrection and the life.
The Masters of Wisdom speak on the resurrection flame. The Bridge to Freedom Journal, April 1953. Ascended Master Saint Germain. Oh, that humankind might recognize the latent powers within the immortal flame of life that beats his heart. On the cosmic tide of springtime, when our Lord Mahachohan resuscitates the kingdom of nature by tuning into the resurrection flame, may every life stream utilize the magnetic power within his own heart flame to draw as much of the resurrection flame as he requires to set his worlds in order, to restore his body and mind to perfect health, and revivify the perfect divine memory of his natural God estate. This is my Easter decree for my beloved ones, each and every one. Ascended Master Elmoira. The word resurrection means to bring back or restore to a normal condition. The activity, therefore, is taken out of the category of the miraculous and becomes a workable law by which man is restored to normal. Witnessing the action of the resurrection flame through the body of the Master Jesus, we see death give way to life, and know that life, not death, is the normal condition for every man. A natural law, or a so-called supernatural law, is equally practicable for every part of life who wishes to utilize it. When man awakens to the fact that the power of resurrection is his, if he chooses to invoke it, he can quickly revivify his flesh, his mind, his affairs, and stand free in its revivifying, life-giving essence. Ascended Master Jesus. Having great interest in life eternal, my mother Mary and I applied to the Father for the privilege and honor of accepting the responsibility of guarding the resurrection flame in the retreat in Arabia. In order to qualify, a Chela must consciously draw and focus through his own body the full power of that flame. It is the initiation by which death is swallowed up in life. I willingly offered to qualify for that initiation. The story of the resurrection is well known to all my friends of the centuries. I would like to state, however, that the resurrection flame lives for all humankind, and that it will surge in a great restoring, revivifying, sweeping action of life eternal, whenever and wherever it is called into action. To sustain this flame in the vibratory action which may be assimilated by all the children of earth, my mother and I have remained the guardian powers of the resurrection, and I earnestly hope at this Easter season that all will invoke it through themselves and all the mankind of earth, and will see and know and feel its restorative action.
Lift us up, mighty I Am.